Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, wa salatu wa salam ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. How are you ladies this afternoon? Okay. Okay, this is your Practicum course, 463, section 1. Okay, only 11 people showed up, and you're basically around a huge number. Right. Today, inshallah ta'ala, I'll record what you need to do, so that just in case you can come back to it, or to those who are not here today, they can just go back and listen to what you need to do. Right. Number one, you need to have an official email address. Okay, official email address. عشان لو تشتري لي ايميل ولا اراسلك بالايميل, I don't find blue butterfly and broken heart and all that قرنبع. فهذه خلاص طالما انت خديجة دحين وتبي تشتغلي, you should have an email that's official. You can have that blue butterfly and broken heart and whatever for your private stuff. I don't mind. But as an official email, you need one that shows who you are. زي ليلى هاشم, it's L Hashim or LA Hashim or whatever. But at least when you see it, you know who it is. No blue butterflies. This is step number one. Fine. The other thing you need to do is you need to find a place where you go and train. What are the criteria for this place? It's just a place, any place besides a bank. You can train at any place besides banks where you can use your English language. You can go and teach or translate in a company or do whatever you want to do in English. Okay, that's point number two. You're going to find a place where you can work in English, except a bank. Alas? Right. Step number three, you have these forms you have on the internet. أول واحدة اللي هي استمارة تسجيل متدرب, انتساب. طيب, you print that out. If you don't have it, I have some in my office. You can print that out and bring it to me, and I have to sign it, and then you stamp it from the secretary's room, and then you can go to wherever you want to go and you start training. Come on. Okay. Another sheet you need to, or another form, is the attendance sheet that you have online. Okay, you print that out, you take it to whatever you're training, and you have them fill it out. So this is the second form. There is a third form that you do not need, اللي هي موافقة ولي الأمر. Because you are external students, أصلا انتوا برة الجامعة, we have nothing to do with your permission form. Okay? So this one, just ignore it. تمام. And then there is another form in here, number 4, which has to do with اللي هي استمارة تقييم متدرب. استمارة تقييم متدرب. وهذه, if you print it, you can see the criteria against which they are going to evaluate you. Whoever is doing the supervision, wherever you're training, they will evaluate you according to these things. تمام? So you can look at them and make sure you do a good job so you get a good grade. Okay, and then finally there is a form that says استمارة تقييم جهة تدريبية. So you print it out and انت تقيمي الجهة اللي تدربتي فيها. تمام؟ You fill that out and you bring it with you, and then I think as far as the forms, these are the only forms that we have there. If I forgot any, please remind me. Hello? Okay. Did I forget any? طيب ممتاز. طيب أخذتي الفورمة ورحتي للجهة التدريبية وتدربتي. Okay, how many hours do you need to do? You need to do 90 hours. تمام؟ 90. ممتاز. And then once you're done with that, they will give you the evaluation form that has been filled out. They will stick it in an envelope and seal it. Okay? And then you'll bring it with you in your file. تمام? And this is like 40% of your grade. 40 درجة على اللي هو استمارة تقييم متدرب. الجهة اللي تدربتي فيها هم يقيموكي من 40 درجة. يحطوا درجة من 40 في البتاع. طيب. What about the other 60 points? You have 20 points Okay, let me think about the 60 points. Okay, I'm thinking of dividing them differently. Just let me think about it. But today I'll tell you what you need to do. And the next class, inshallah, I'll tell you how am I going to divide the 60 points. Okay, you need to write a report. After you've done your training, you sit and you write a 2-page report. Just 2 pages. In good grammatical English that you wrote by yourself. Don't let anybody write it for you, you write it yourself. Okay, just say something about the venue, where you have done your training, what it is that you used to do, your strengths and weaknesses. Yeah, only 2 pages. Your strengths and weaknesses as an intern, what you have learned, and so on. Come on, just a 2-page report. Don't make it more than 2 pages of good English. Grammatical. English. طيب. خلصنا من الريبورت. Okay. The final exam is basically an exam that tests your English. You've been in the department for 4 or 5 years. Okay, at the end you have a small English test. So you can sit and work on your English. تراجع الجرامر حقك شوية and so on. تمام? About English, Lulu, I just said it's an English quiz. Test of your English. No, there is no listening part. Just grammar, reading, and comprehension. Reading comprehension, I mean. And that's basically it. ممتاز. That's it. Do you have any other questions? Okay. Basically, yeah, there is no material for the course. Yes, but you can brush up on your knowledge if you can. Okay, when you have free time, sit and practice. Yeah, good. ايش كمان؟ طبعا you have tons and tons and tons of YouTube videos that can teach you anything. ومن ضمنهم you can go and brush up on your English. Okay? Any other questions? Okay, all your papers, you need to bring them in a plastic file. You know these plastic files where the first page is see-through? Okay, ملف بلاستيكي أول صفحة فيه شفافة. طيب؟ اوكي هو قيمته بريالين، في كل المكتبات بريالين. اشتري النوع الانجليزي اللي هو الفتحة تيجي من اليمين لليسار. لا تشتري لي هو عربي تحطي لي الاوراق بالعربي و have to sit and read all that. It's a lot of work for me, by the way. Okay? So please خرمي الأوراق من اليسار مو من اليمين. Okay, this is an English file. Okay? And when you buy the file, buy it where it opens from the right to the left. زي الكتاب بالإنجليزي كيف نفتحه من اليمين لليسار، صح؟ مو زي بالعربي نفتحه من اليسار لليمين. Okay? That's basically all I have for today. Tamam? Are you in the WhatsApp group? I think all of you are. اوكي، هذا السمستر في شعبتين. اوكي ما في شعبة وهمية. somebody just saying على الواتساب ان هي في شعبة وهمية. ما في شعبة وهمية this semester. في شعبة واحد وشعبة اثنين. So most probably okay there's another section tomorrow اللي هو Mondays and Wednesdays. I guess most probably she's there. Any other questions? Okay. Okay. Yeah, nice question. Okay, somebody's asking because they're from outside Jeddah. If you're from outside Jeddah, get in touch with me and I'll have to send an email to whoever you're doing a training with. طيب ارسلي لي واتساب وارسلي لي الايميل حق الجهة اللي تتدرب عندها المشرف or المشرفة. طيب and send me the name and which company this is or which school. So if you're from Medina or from Taif or from Riyadh or somewhere far away where you cannot come to Jeddah, you don't need to come to Jeddah. Ahid Jeddah, you have to come to the office and get the paper. If you're from outside Jeddah, it's hard for you guys to come to the office just to get a piece of paper, so I can get in touch with your venues and then I can send them an email. Okay? Any other questions? شكله كله راح يصلي وسيبنا. Okay, my email is lahashim@kau.edu.sa. Okay, yes you can. طيب, I'll see you إن شاء الله تعالى after tomorrow. تمام؟ يلا take care. Bye bye.